I'm so excited, and you know why? Because you have read the title of this video. Yes, it is winter sales time here in France. And by the way, my apologies, it's very difficult for me to make review concerning the winter sales in North America, because when it happens, it is Christmas holidays and I am with my family and I have really few times to make videos and so on, so that's why I haven't done any video about this. And now it is winter sales in France. They start beginning January and they will end on the 4th of February. And at the very first day I was in front of my computer because yes, I have seen that during your sales, some items were on sales and I was waiting for them, and I am happy because for once, it's the very first time Longchamp has made in France some great prices. Yes, and even half price reduction. And this is historical because they have never done this in France. So without further ado, let me show you the very first bag I have bought. I am right now showing it to you. So I picked, ta-da! Yes, I picked the Longchamp Roseau Luxe Shoulder bag, M size. I will insert right now the real unboxing because as you can tell there is no wrapping and so on, because as I'm making bilingual videos I wanted to have the unboxing for both for you and for my French speaker, so I include right now the video. This bag was very well wrapped and it smells divine. I wish you can touch it through the screen. It's just insane. You know, Roseau is one of my favorite line and I already have one bag, one Roseau Luxe. This is the tote in size S. And the handbag, it's not a tote, it's an handbag S, my apologies. And this is the second edition because this time the color is cognac. The previous I have, it was in the vegetal color. And I have always wanted to add this color in my collection. I will write the dimension of this bag, and as you can tell, it's so supple because the leather, it is scalp skin leather, but it is tan vegetally. There is nothing, seriously, there is nothing on the leather. That's why it's so supple, so smooth. It is super lightweight. And just, let's start from the beginning. It used to be really expensive. Seriously, this bag retails for, in euro, sorry, I forgot to write the price in American dollar, my apologies. But in euro, this bag retails for 720 euro. It's a price. It's a price, even if the leather, the craftsmanship are great. I have to tell you, it's a bit expensive. But this year, Longchamp offers it half price. So I have paid 360 euro. And this price is for me more than correct. So when I saw it, I directly, without a doubt, I ordered it. So let's have a look. It's just a top handle, one top handle to carry it on your shoulder, or you can carry it like this if you want, but it is better on your shoulder. And it is quite wide, so even with a coat, it's okay. It's the classical Roseau style with the bamboo closure. The thing is that, as you can see, the glazing is white and it's really gorgeous with this cognac color. At the bottom you have no fit, but you have still the work of the glazing everywhere. It's super elegant. Seriously, it's super elegant. Here you also have it. And inside, let me open it for you. Inside you've got one main compartment. It is raw inside, raw leather. You have this leather. It's the same leather. Hope you can see the same leather. You have this pocket, and in fact you have this flap pocket here, and you have the zipped pocket here. Let me open it for you. So, and here you've got the Longchamp ribbon jacquard. And this is the Longchamp tag. And that's all. You don't have any keyring and so on. I really, really wanted this bag, and I'm so happy to have it right now. At the moment, I am completely crazy with brown bag, and this one is perfection. So just to show you. And I like it. I really, really like it. You can carry a bunch inside. The size is correct. It's not too big, but not too tall. It's really bigger than this one, and this one you can fit a bunch. And look, it's so cute. But seriously, this one is also on sale. Not this version because it is no more available, but the soft version, soft leather version. And it's a great bag. It's seriously a great bag. And that's also the reason I was really interested in this one, because I really like this one. It's perfect, but not maybe in summer, but for the all day, it's a bit too tiny. So I was really interested to add a bigger size, and I am so happy. What I can say, I repeat, the price was just crazy. And when I saw on the US website that these bags were finally proposed on sale, I really keep fingers crossed that the French market will do the same, or the European market will do the same. And that's why at the very first day I was ready and hoping it became real, and it became real. The delivery was super fast, since I have ordered in the morning, very early in the morning. The parcel was ready in the day, and I received my parcel the next day. Within 24 hours, I got the bag, the parcel, because in the parcel there's 2 bags. And crazy, seriously crazy. And the cherry on the top. I don't know if you say that, the cherry on the top, but the parcel came from Segré. Yes, you know, Longchamp Segré, les ateliers Segré. So the historical atelier of Longchamp. So these bags were there. So I am over the moon. It's not a bag that came from a boutique, because it happens that on sales you receive items from different boutiques. They have stock left, and so they send the item when you ordered on the Longchamp website. No, this bag came from Segré. So it's magical. My friend, did you buy something during the Longchamp sale, or you missed something, or you regret buying something on sale? Let's open the discussion. I could not believe. I am still in shock. Seriously, I'm still in shock, because never ever I have thought that I could write it. Seriously, because yes, the original price was really too high. But the price I paid with the sales is more than correct. If you have any question concerning this bag, please do not hesitate to leave a comment on YouTube or on Instagram. I will answer you, no worry. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next one, take care, and my friend, I love you. Bye bye.